Hey, this is Vivica Von Rosen with another quick LinkedIn tip on how to adjust your brand during these crazy times. So first of all, you want to check and see if you have the new featured section. So under add profile sections, just click on the download or the drop down to see if you've got featured. And if you do have featured, just know that you can now add not only media and links, but articles and posts, and you can kind of pin them in place with the new featured section. So it used to be the media that went into your about or your summary, but now it's here in featured. So if you've got a post, a LinkedIn article, a blog post, a podcast, or a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF, an infographic that is specific to what's going on right now and basically how you can help your audience or your prospects' point of pain with what's going on with COVID-19, all you have to do is add it to the featured section. If you don't have it, you'll be getting it soon. And once you've added it by clicking on the plus sign, you can move things around. So you might already have some content in there that's not terribly relevant. My keynote speaker's reel, considering it's going to be months before I get on a stage, hopefully just months, I'm going to move that back a little bit. Whereas content that's relevant to my buyers right now, best video conferencing tools, things that you can do with Zoom, I'm going to move that up front and then just click on done. And basically that content is then kind of pinned in this featured section. So I've got links, I've got posts, I've got uploads. So think about the media that you can add to your profile right now to make it sticky, to let your buyers know how you can help them. Again, it's Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengreso. And if you want to learn more about this, we've got a whole course at moresalescalls.com.